Alright everybody, listen up. It's day 2 of our multi-bed. Yeah, day 2, part 2. Now we just gotta finish that multi-bed and get it done today. Come on. Okay guys, we're back and it's the second day. We didn't get to finish it yesterday. We had soccer and we had concerts all afternoon. But today we're going to get back to it. You're probably wondering why we're putting all of these plants in one bed. We're putting more plants in one bed together closer because the more plants, the less room for the weeds to grow. We don't like weeds because they take the food and all of the nutrients that our plants and flowers need to grow. So all the plants kind of have they all have a job. The herbs keeps the bugs away from the vegetables and plants, and the flowers, they attract bees and butterflies. And the vegetables, we just like to eat. Yum, 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 and ton, ton, ton. And that's why we put them together. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and let's get back to planning. Okay, time to plant cucumbers. So guys, just come over here real quick. We're just gonna set those down just for a second. We're just gonna take just for now, we just need one just so I can show you. Just one for now. This is a cucumber seed. So you gotta put it down at least that far, and put it down. Because say that you took a carrot seed and put it down that far, and put it down that far, it will never grow. So you gotta actually put it down just a bit, and you gotta look at the size, so you know. You can put one white there, that's not too deep, so that's perfect. Put one, but we're gonna be putting 2 in each one. So now we just gotta put the second one, then cover it up. Then boom, now we can just plant the other ones. Okay. So over here, we're going to plant one. Well, 2. If it's a bit too deep, you can make it a less deep. That's good enough. 1, 2. Then behind the pole, gonna make a little divot. 1, 2. Then right here, hard for me to see, but I'm managing it. 1, 2. So now we're gonna be planting lemon cucumbers. These are the cucumbers that I sent to Who's Your Pioneer. And we plant these because my mommy loves them. So, Who's Your Pioneer? I'm going to show you how to plant them. Well, of course, the seeds look just like the normal cucumbers. Just gotta get them out. Bit too many, but that's okay. I'm not gonna be wasting them. So you already know, I told you it on the other side. Make a little divot. Not too close to the pole though. Take 2 of them. We're putting 2 in just in case one of them doesn't grow. Okay, make a debit over here. 1, 2. Debit over here. 1, 2. Debit over here. 1, 2. There we go. And yeah, that was definitely a bit too many seeds. I almost took all of them. That wouldn't be good. Now I'm going to try to carefully put them back in. I don't want any accidents like last time. Do you remember that? Over there when I spilled all of the seeds. Whoopsie daisy. If you haven't seen that video, I really want you to look at it. It's funny. I dropped a seed and I can't find it. It'll just grow. Now we're going to be planting some beans from Wool Seeds, best pal. Okay, first let's look at the seeds. They look like bunny poop. Why do they look like bunny poop? Okay. But you can also tell that they're beans because the look and the feel. So these two divots were just going to be boop, 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 boop. So these are bush beans. They're not going to grow up. Those were different beans. Those were pole beans. We're not going to be planting those this year. So, yeah, these are bush beans. They're called bush beans because they technically just grow in a bush. So we just gotta cover it up. Don't be scared, they're just beans. So guys, remember those beets we planted? Here we go. They're still pretty small, but I can notice them. There we go. Okay, make a debit. That's pretty good. So these nice beautiful flowers are called viola. Dun 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 dun. Perfect fit. You know what this is? Carrots, and it's in seed tape. Okay, yeah, you already know the drill. You just gotta place it in, then just start covering it. Okay, now we're just gonna get our radishes in the middle. Yeah, these are the seeds that I accidentally dropped. It was kind of hard to pick them up. we put it under there because when it does grow up and make shade, the radishes will already be picked. Okay, guys, now we're just watering it because we didn't get to water it yesterday because we didn't know that we weren't going to finish it. So now we're just going to be watering it today. Imagine if we forgot to water it again. That would be a disaster. So the multi-bed is all done. We got beautiful flowers, parsley, thymes. Yeah, it's just so beautiful. Yeah, parsley, rosemary, thyme, beautiful flowers, and we got some sage. Can't forget the sage. Oregano. We got some tomatoes. Lavender, radishes, cucumbers, tomato, beets, peppers. Yum, yum, yum in my tum, tum, tum. Okay, guys, it only took 2 days to make the multi-bed. Everything that you do is a experiment. I wanted to do it, so if it does good this year, I'm going to be doing it next year. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!